Hello, this is Nasan Technology. Welcome back to our channel. Nowadays, more and more people are considering of buying a laser machine that are convenient for repairing backglass. And there are mainly two types of laser machine on the market: the fiber laser and the blue laser machine, and many people may confuse about the difference between them, don't know how to choose a suitable one. First, whether it is a fiber laser or the blue laser, both of them can help with separating the backglass. But the difference is in their using effect and experience. So we will show you their advantage and disadvantage from the difference of the laser. The blue laser machine uses a visible light laser with a wavelength between 400 to 700 nanometers. Its wavelength is relatively low, which will form a burning effect on the marking object. And the blue light belongs to visible light, so do not look directly at it during use, otherwise it will be very harmful to your eyes. Fiber laser with a wavelength of 1060 nanometers use a high density beam to vaporize the surface of the marking object, so the surface is very flat and clean after marking. There is one obvious advantage of blue laser: low price. But at the same time, it has three shortcomings. In terms of laser movement, the blue laser machine moves the laser through the XY axis. This causes several problems. First, movement speed is very slow. For example, it takes 30 to 40 minutes to separate an iPhone X. Second, before marking, you can't preview the marking effect. It is difficult to check whether the alignment is correct. Third, the accuracy is relatively low. For precision objects such as mobile phones, even if the drawings are accurate, the laser may go to the wrong place because of the accuracy of the motor is difficult to control. When using a blue laser machine, it may be safer to cover the main parts with something. To shops that have a small amount of repairing or do not care much about efficiency, a blue laser machine would be a considerable choice. Fiber laser machine control laser movement by galvanometer. It can solve many shortcomings of blue laser machine. First, laser movement is fast and efficient. It only takes 2 to 3 minutes to separate a mobile phone. Second, the laser rods can be previewed through the red light before marking, so it is easy to check whether the position is correct. Third, high precision. As long as there is no problem with the drawings, it will not harm the phone. In addition, with our machine and its software system, except for mobile phone repairing, you can also make some nice DIY engraving to increase your incomes. But the disadvantage of the fiber laser is its price is high. While considering the price of iPhone, maybe the no harming to the phone itself will be the lowest cost solution. Moreover, the laser machine is very precise. The violent transportation process may affect the accuracy of it, so the package is also very important. We offer airbox package, and we are the only one in the industry that can provide such high quality and convenient package for customers. Excluding the above point, the most important thing of buying a laser machine is its service and guarantee support. For example, we hear from some people that they don't know how to install the machine, or the laser disappeared after a few months of using, but the seller didn't respond. Buying machine with detailed guidance and guarantee support will save a lot of headache. All of our products are with 1-year warranty. After purchasing our machines, If you have any problem or any question, you can contact your supplier or any of our sales. We will try our best to solve your problem as soon as possible. And as long as it is our product, we must take responsibility. Thank you for watching and hope this video can answer some of your doubts. If you want more information of our product, just leave us a message and we will upload more related videos in the coming future. So stay tuned. See you next time.